Hi everybody, welcome to Sundance Marine here in Pompano Beach, Florida. Going to take you through a walkthrough of our 2022 24-foot Chris Craft Calypso with our midnight blue gel coat, a beautiful red boot stripe, and a custom painted Mercury outboard engine in the ivory cream color. This is a Mercury 300 horsepower. All right, guys, welcome aboard our 2022 Chris Craft 24 Calypso. I have to walk you around and show you a few notable features on this boat. On the starboard side of the boat, we have a nice dive door that opens up. Nice feature about this dive door is that it is part of the mold in Chris Craft. So you get a nice full opening with a nice seal all the way around to keep you dry when you're out in the rough water. Here at the Transom, we have our nice Flexi Teak swim platform with our custom painted ivory cream Mercury outboard engine. We have a portside live well with 3 rod holders across the transom, a telescoping ski pylon with a pressurized freshwater transom shower. Here in the cockpit, we have a nice opening to access the bilge compartment where your batteries, steering pump, battery charger, freshwater tank, and storage for your dive ladder, which connects here at the dive door. Also on the transom, we have a convertible aft fold-out seat. Plenty of space for your guests to sit down and hang out, as well as a convertible passenger seat, which gives you the ability to have a forward-facing seat, a chase lounge, or a full-out lounger. Also, forward-facing lounger. Here we can see the beautiful finish work on the head door as we enter into the head compartment. Small glove box storage, and a nice roomy head with pressurized freshwater sink. Just after the Helm compartment here on the 24 Calypso, we have a nice freshwater sink and storage area here with a drain, 2 cup holders, and a slide out cooler that makes for a nice aft facing seat. Here at the beautiful helm of the Chris Craft 24 Calypso, we have a 12-inch touchscreen Garmin with Chris Craft's digital switching, Fusion marine head unit that all ties into the upgraded JL premium sound package with an 8-inch subwoofer, push button switching. One also notable feature on this Chris Craft is the beautiful ivory cream interior with navy blue stitching and navy blue accents. Moving forward to the helm of the 24 Calypso, we have a very nice centerline fish box / ski locker. With a windscreen and a folding windshield to keep you out of the weather in those nasty summertime storms. Moving forward up into the bow again, 2 fold out armrests with a walk-through all the way up onto the bow, where we have our through stem windlass with remote and freshwater washdown pressurized here at the bow. 2 cup holder, rod holder combos with a nice flexi teak anchor locker. And a very spacious bow for 3 people. Now let's take a look at the hard top of the 24 Calypso with beautiful stainless steel arch. The hard top has built-in JL speakers with blue and white LED lights and aft facing white LED spreader lights.